Tom wants to talk about the coal ash spill. Let's do that, and then we'll get Trent. Go ahead. You're on State Your Case.
Good afternoon, folks. Hope you're having a good day.
Yes, sir.
Jamie, I have followed your articles very closely about this coal ash spill, and in the last one, it basically said that Lamar Alexander and Senator Corker didn't want any part of this as far as getting an investigation going. And I'm just curious as to what your opinion is, why politicians or political appointees that are in a position to get an in-depth investigation into this mess are reluctant to get involved in it. I don't understand it. I
got 3 letters for you. TVA. TVA.
So this is just a good old boy network.
I think that our politicians are reluctant to take on TVA. It's a huge employer in this area. They literally hold the switch on our power. I called or emailed every member of the Tennessee congressional delegation, and Tim Burchett was the only person that stepped up and said, yes, there needs to be an investigation. It mystifies me that anyone would say, no, we don't need to look further. We had over 500 innocent people poisoned by coal ash, either through gross negligence or intentional, one or the other. That bears investigating.
I'm certainly not an attorney, but I know enough about the law to know that if through negligence you cause somebody's death, that is a manslaughter charge. That's a felony. And somebody, that company or representatives of that company, have killed 30 people in this state. And none of our politicians seem to want to do anything about it. And that is extremely disappointing to me.
It is, and it's not just the politicians. The EPA, they were in charge of this site. They had legal authority and could go now and take action. And they won't even talk to me. TVA will not answer questions about it. They had people out there. They knew what was going on. And then you have the U.S. Attorney's Office, and I highly respect our U.S. Attorney's Office here. I believe if they can make a case, they will, if the Justice Department will let them look at it. So I don't understand what's the harm in finding out what really went on here? Why? The why is what we don't know.
Tom, thanks for your call.
Retaliation for refusal to allow respiratory protection, refusal to allow dust mask, refusal to allow proper protective equipment. The directives of the agency involved were violated. The rights of the workers were violated as a matter of public policy.